That was the noise I was talking about.
Well, that's your compressor.
Okay.
That's probably cooling going through the line.
Remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification.
Now, whenever I think that fan that people want to compress it off with the cause on cool and cool.
Yeah.
We're just going to switch it for a second.
All right.
I'm going to troubleshoot this way. Crazy.
You're allergic to cats? Oh, I didn't know that. Yeah.
It's not hard. It's not hard.
Yes. How late are you guys open till today? 1. Oh, so you're closing really soon. My landlord's here looking at my refrigerator, and he wants to replace the condenser fan. You do? How much? Oh, it's for a Frigidaire. Okay. What's the model number?
Tell him we'll just get back to him Monday.
Okay, yeah, we'll get back to you later since you're almost closing. Okay, all right, thanks. Bye. So they do have them. Okay, and I can wait till Monday. That's not a big issue.
Well, yeah, you got a freezer if you can get by.
Yeah.
You want a cooler or anything? You want a cooler?
Oh well, I got a cooler right there. So yeah, I'm good with that.
Let's not stop here. He's closed. Don't mean somebody else ain't.
Maybe. What about True Value? Bedford. Okay. All right. There it is. Okay.
He overcharges shit anyway. He break me at the other place.
S&S or Harkler Road?
Maybe he did.
Yeah.
S&S, what's their hours?
Let's see. Okay. All right.
This model number. What did he say? He needed the model number.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's right there. The hell, I'd have been able to do it.
Same thing. 1 o'clock.
That's
Sunday. Oh, here it is. Same thing.
Here, do this for me, Carl. Google, we ready?
Yeah.
Condenser fan unit.
Okay. Oops, let me get all this other stuff out of here.
Or wait, just put this down. Capital FFTR.
Capital FFTR.
1814.
Yeah, I've had that stupid typewriter tape in my ass for over 20 years. It's kind of nice to get rid of it out of my life for good. But, oh yeah. No. So all I do is go up and get in the car. fair or efficient. There's definitely snorting on the Primavera.